want be manifested. The art of manifestation, unleashing the power of intention. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts, desires, and intentions into reality. It's a powerful practice that involves aligning your mindset, emotions, and actions to attract the things you want in life. While manifestation is not a magic wand, many people believe in its potential to create positive change. In this video, we'll explore the key principles and steps to manifest anything you want. Clarify your desires. The first step in manifestation is to clearly define what you want. Take the time to reflect on your goals and desires. Write them down in detail, specifying the aspects that matter most to you. The more specific and vivid your intentions, the easier it becomes to focus your energy on them. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions associated with your success, whether it's joy, excitement, or gratitude. Visualization helps create a mental image that aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. Set positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and goals. Create affirmations that reflect the reality you want to manifest. Repeat them regularly, both verbally and in writing, to strengthen your belief in your ability to achieve your desires. Maintain a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on what you want rather than what you lack. Embrace gratitude for what you currently have and believe in the possibility of achieving your goals. Positive energy attracts positive outcomes, so maintain an optimistic outlook even in challenging times. Act as if. Acting as if you already have what you desire can accelerate the manifestation process. Align your actions with your goals, and make decisions based on the belief that your desires are on their way to you. This mindset helps create a sense of confidence and inevitability. Release resistance. Often, subconscious beliefs and doubts can act as barriers to manifestation. Identify and release any resistance or limiting beliefs that may be hindering your progress. This might involve practices such as meditation, journaling, or seeking professional guidance. Practice patience and detachment. Manifestation is a process that unfolds over time. Practice patience and trust in the timing of the universe. Avoid obsessing over the outcome, as attachment to a specific timeline or form can create resistance. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Take inspired action. While manifestation involves aligning your energy, it's crucial to complement it with inspired action. Take steps toward your goals, seize opportunities, and be proactive in your pursuits. Action serves as a bridge between intention and realization. Manifestation is a holistic process that involves aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the reality you desire. By clarifying your goals, visualizing success, maintaining a positive mindset, and taking inspired action, you can harness the power of manifestation to bring positive change into your life. Remember that patience, persistence, and a belief in your own capabilities are key elements in this transformative journey.